4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, level up.
What's going on, y'all? It's your girl Queen Dezi, and I'm back with another video. Today we are going to the Millennia/Florida Mall. Stay tuned. See y'all later. What's up? So, we are at the mall right now, and I just made a purchase and everything, so that's cool. Yeah, we can. So yeah, make sure you guys go like, comment, and subscribe while you are here. I might get copyrighted. So I'm gonna make a purchase. You feel me? Thank you.
Pleasure. Enjoy the rest of your day.
What's good, y'all? I just got back from the mall. Now it's time to unbox this piece of item that I have here, and I'm really happy about this purchase. It was on sale, it was looking nice, so I had to cop it, you know. So I'm excited to let you guys see what I got. And so yeah, we're gonna just go right into this. And as you can see, it is from Michael Kors. So this is Michael Kors. Alright, so this right here, it is called it's a neon knit sock sneaker. It's really nice. I love the color. It's real vibrant. It has like a little lift up here. It gives you like an inch or two off the ground. Everything, I really love it. And then yeah, so I tried these on in the store, and basically what they told me, or when I looked online, I was looking at the reviews and everything, and they said that you want to go up a size higher. Okay, so that's what I did. I went up a size higher because I'm a 9.5, so I went to a 10 and everything. So, and the 10 actually fits because they said 9.5. Oh, your true size will be too small and be feeling all weird on your feet, so they said go up a size higher. So yeah. Alright, so what I have here is Tiffany&Co company, and basically what I got from here is something a little simple. I got here a box. Can you believe it?
Bracelet from here. See? It comes in like a little baggie. So cute. Then just open it. Open the satchel.
And that's it. It's really nice. So this is 4mm for not all my tiny arms, wrists. This is 4mm, and it's very nice. It like the other size that it came in was 2mm, everything, and it comes in gold, rose gold, or silver. So I got the silver one. I like the pink heart, really nice. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is the last unboxing. I've been waiting for this shoe to come. Yeah, boy. This is what we got. Box is a little beat up, but it's okay. Michael Kors. Okay. Oh boy. Look at that. So nice. Ooh, love these things already. These are called the Cameron leather sneaker, and the color is optic white. You see the color, it's just all white. So it's like the Gucci ones. Has that nice white leather to it and easy to clean off. So boom. Oh yes. So yeah, added to the collection. Guys, I am so in love with these shoes. Yo, it's so comfortable. It's not a lace, like you tie up your shoe. It's a slip-on. It is so comfortable. The Gucci's, it feels like the Gucci's, right? But it has like a little height, a little heel, like the knitted ones, like the sock knitted ones, the neons. Yeah, so, but I will add it to the family of shoes. I love them shoes, you feel me?
This is a good choice. Like I said, I've been waiting. I'm like, is this my package? Is this my package? Is this my package? No, no, no.
Finally, it's here, so yeah, I love them. I'll show you guys the pictures all together, the next clip, and y'all, it's been another one with your girl, Queen Dezi. Make sure you guys go comment down below what you guys want to see next Saturday. I'm letting you guys decide what y'all want to see. So, love y'all. Peace.